So this video is about setting up a PS3 wheel to get it working with a PS4 system. So I got my new PSVR and I wanted to play this game Gran Turismo Sport with PSVR, and I had this PS3 Thrustmaster wheel with all these foot pedal controls, but sadly my PS4 system didn't recognize it, and that was sad. So I just thought to get a workaround. What I found after googling was some adapters which actually converted, but they were way expensive. So I just thought of some DIY hack to make it work. So what I found out is a simple solution. It gets the thing working and gives you the whole driving experience in your PSVR unit, but it may not function as a full-fledged wheel with pedal controls and everything, but it does the job nicely. So what you need is basically to set your PS4 controller, the DualShock 4 controller, in this motion sensing mode in the Gran Turismo. Okay, this works with the Gran Turismo. I haven't tried it with something else because it does just, I only have this game for PS4. Yeah, so what you need to do this is basically set this PS4 controller as an attachment for this wheel. So in an orientation where this feels like motion sensed movement, and it gets you going with the PSVR controller. But yeah, it slips quite often, so you need to find some adapter which get it fixed. You can either use some something rubber band to tie it or something else. What I found most useful was this bag massager which was lying in my house. So this formed a very good unit. What you need to do if you want to have this is you can search it in Amazon or somewhere by using a hand roller based back massager or something similar which looks like this. So this worked perfectly for me. The controller, so it has a smaller and is a thinner and a thicker side, so the PS4 controller fits perfectly here, and what it forms as an attachment to this can be tied out very easily. So I'll just show you. So you need 2 rubber bands for this. So this is the final setup. You need to tie 2 rubber bands to hold this in position. This is quite fixed, it doesn't move. The accelerator buttons are quite accessible, the brake is accessible, but you cannot use the foot pedals here. That's sad, but you get the whole use of the rotation. The Thrustmaster and the PSVR works fantastic. I played the Gran Turismo and it was just an awesome experience with this setup. I hope this would be helpful. That's all for today. Thanks. Hit a like if you enjoyed this and if it was helpful for you.